Hare Krishna. So we are at a place called Dharenda. This is the birthplace of Shyamanand Prabhu. So the story, in short, the story of Shyamanand Prabhu is like this. So one of the great devotees of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was Gaudidas Pandit. Gaudidas Pandit's disciple was Hriday Chaitanya. So Shyamanand Prabhu is actually his name at the time of his birth. So this is where Shyamanand Prabhu was born, probably below this tree. His name was Dukhi Krishnadas. And here you can see that samadhi there is the samadhi of the mother of Shyamanand Prabhu. So this is where he was born as Dukhi Krishnadas. And then he goes and takes Diksha from Hriday Chaitanya. And then Hriday Chaitanya instructs him to go to Vrindavan Dham. So Shyamanand Prabhu, Narottam Das Thakur and Srinivas Acharya, three of them reach Vrindavan Dham. And all of them study under Jiva Goswami. They learn the scriptures under Jiva Goswami in Radha Damodar temple. And then Shyamanand Pandit, he comes to Odisha by the instructions of Jiva Goswami. And he comes here and preaches the message of Mahaprabhu all over Odisha. So Shyamanand Prabhu is the one who actually preached Krishna consciousness all over Odisha. And Shyamanand Prabhu's principal disciple was Rasikanand Prabhu. So Rasikanand Prabhu is also a great, powerful acharya who preached to so many dacoits. So this is Shyamanand Pandit, Shyamanand Prabhu, and this is his disciple Rasikanand Prabhu. And here you can see the deities of Radha Krishna and Gaur Nitai. And this is Shyamanand Prabhu. Shyamanand Prabhu ki jai, Shyamanand Prabhu Janam Sthan ki jai, Shri Shri Radha Krishna Gaur Nitai ki jai. So our prayers at the birthplace of Shyamanand Prabhu, that we can also seek the blessings of Shyamanand Prabhu. So a very interesting story in the life of Shyamanand Prabhu. When he was in Vrindavan Dham, one time he was given the service of cleaning Nidhivan, Seva Kunj area where Radha Krishna performed their Ras Leela. And while he was cleaning, he actually found a Nupur. So this place is still there near Sham Sundar Mandir in Seva Kunj area, Nupur Prapti Sthali. So he found a Nupur, and then he knew that this was Srimati Radharani's Nupur. So Lalita Devi comes to Shyamanand Dukhi Krishnadas and tells him, please give me that Nupur. So Dukhi Krishnadas tells Lalita Devi, no, I'll give it to Srimati Radharani only. And then he goes and gives it to Srimati Radharani. Srimati Radharani gives him a Gopi Manjari Swarup, and she puts a tilak with that Nupur on his head. So this is called the Shyamanandi Tilak. So the followers of Shyamanand Prabhu have the tilak on their forehead, which represents the Nupur of Srimati Radharani. So you can see Prabhuji here with the tilak, Shyamanandi Tilak. Shyamanand Prabhu ki jai.